Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download the files shared on Google Drive. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to do it on mobile. I've already opened the Google Drive apps on my phone, and to find the shared files, you can just click on the shared icon at the bottom here, and then just select the file that you want to download. So for example, I want to download this video files right here. So just click on the three dots icon at the bottom of the file, and there will be a download button. So click on download, and now the item will be downloaded, and you can just wait until it's fully downloaded and it will be saved to your phone. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.